In this video, we're going to be going over how to use i360, how to see your appointments, how to see information about your appointments, and also how to use a shortcut in i360 to pull up maps for navigation to your appointments. It's a quick reminder, many of these videos do have timestamps, so please check out the video description below. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the i360 Go app. In my screen here, it's the second from the right on the top row. I'm going to highlight it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open it up. If you're using the mobile version from your cell phone, the options that are available as far as the icons go are going to be the same. You're gonna have to scroll up and scroll down to see these different. I'm actually using this on my iPad here. So when you first enter into your i360, this is in your home page. If you ever get lost and need to go back for any reason, there is this hamburger icon in the top left corner. You can go ahead and click on that top left corner, and then at the top you're going to see this home button. Click on that to go back to home. When you're getting prepared to go find your appointments for the next day or the following day, the first screen you're going to want to go to is the blue one that's labeled My Appointments. What you'll do is you'll just single tap into that app, and it's going to pull up a screen that looks just like this. What it'll do is if you have appointments already assigned to you, you're going to be able to see in the appointment box labeled Tuesday, August 10th, which is today. It's going to show you some information regarding a lead or an appointment that was assigned to you. You'll also be able to see previous appointments that you went to. I can open the drop-down box by clicking this little black triangle. It'll actually do a drop-down box, and it'll show me the other appointments that we've gone to as well. I'm going to close that for now. I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to close this one. I'm going to show you what my appointments are for tomorrow, for Wednesday, August 11th. What I'll do is I'm going to click that black triangle again to expand it and have everything drop down. So by clicking into the box here, I'm going to see a few things as far as information goes. I'm going to see an address, so it looks like I'm going to 2129 East Cedar Street. I'm going to be able to see what the customer is interested in, so it looks like they're interested in a jacuzzi SHO, is shower. The prospect name is going to be the customer's name that called in, so I'm going to see that last name, first name, and I also see the time slot that I'm expected to arrive at that customer's house. For in this case, I'm going to be getting there at 10 o'clock a.m. The next step in viewing your appointment is to touch this black arrow on the far right screen. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up all the details into that appointment. All the things up here in blue are going to take you to different screens. A little bit later in this video, I'm going to show you how to result your lead. But for the time being, what we're going to do is I'm just going to take you through this list and show you what is the information you're going to see in here. So the first thing is going to be a prospect number. At the point of the customer calling into the call center, they're going to be assigned a prospect ID number. Then you're also going to see the customer's name in the correspondence name box. You're going to see what they are interested in. The next thing is also going to be source type. Source type is going to be where that type of lead was generated from. You'll see things in there such as malls or events, like if we had a home show. You also see things such as PPL, PPS. You may even see things that are from azbaths.com, which is our website. You'll then see where is the address of that appointment. You'll see the city, the state, and the zip code. You'll see who is assigned to it, so you can see here that I have my name assigned to go run this appointment. And then it was set on today, and I'm going to be prepared to run this appointment tomorrow. If I scroll down, I can see if there's any attachments or anything. In most cases, you will not have any attachments. On the bottom of your screen, you're going to see it says information. It's going to say details, and it's going to say related. We're going to click on that details button down in the middle. It's going to expand some more information. Here, I can actually see any detailed notes. The call center, when they set an appointment, they are trained to write down pertinent notes that might be important for you when you get to the appointment. Things such as an apartment number. In this case, in my designer notes, it says Chris Hermes wants a call when you are 10 minutes out. In this case, Chris Hermes may be the property manager, and he's going to let me in the door when I get there. I also see that there's a gate code. Here in Arizona, we get into a lot of complexes and a lot of communities where they have a gate to get entered into it. The call center is trained to ask for that, and you should always see this here in the information. It'll either be in the comments section here or it'll be in the designer notes here. All the other information that's down here will typically be filled out by the call center, but none of that is really utilized by the designers. The next step, if you want to have your iPad or your cell phone pull up the maps quickly without having to manually type it in. So to quickly navigate to a appointment, when you're in this details button down here at the bottom middle, you can go over here to address, and if you click on the address, just single tap it, the computer program will automatically talk to the navigation system that's either on your iPad or on your phone. In this case, it pulls up the iPad maps. What it'll do is it'll automatically show me where the address is. On the top left, I'm going to go ahead and click on directions. And then if I click on go, my program will automatically help me navigate to my appointment, and I can follow this on where to go.